cannot trade these binary options here on these markets because you might end up winning a lot of the time. Hello there, welcome to this tutorial in which I explain binary trading in simple terms. So here I have two trading platforms, and here we have Deriv. On this side we have Pocket Option. Some of you might have come across these two websites. They are both binary trading platforms. Basically, binary options are trying to predict where the market will go in a certain amount of time. Let's say that here you choose you will be predicting within 3 minutes. If I predict that within 3 minutes the market will go above this price, so the current price is the price that you will be predicting against. If I decide to say that it will rise above the moment that I enter, then after 3 minutes, if it happens that the market is above that point, then I will win that contract. And then my total amount will be this, with a profit of that amount. And if it happens that the market has moved lower, then I will end up losing that amount of money. But most of the time is that the market can still go down can still go down and go up. So within this time, if it goes up, down, and then goes back after 3 minutes, then I still win again. So you can see the only thing that will matter is the time. After this time, if the market is above that point, I win. If it is below, I lose. So that is what you predict in binary option. Also, it happens similar on this pocket option. Here you just choose the time, and then after choosing the time, you predict where the market will be. As you can see, we have a green. If I choose this one, you can see I'm saying the market will be moving this above that point after this amount of the time. So Deriv Trader do offer MetaTrader 5 trading, and that is a real trading account. It has real trading accounts, as you can see on their trading hubs. So here we have MetaTrader 5 trading accounts, and then we also have Deriv C Trader. So here we have also a real trading account, and then we also have a binary option here. So Deriv Trader is a binary option. So if you don't have an account, I will leave the link in the description. Make sure that you register using that link, and you have to do KYC verification. That is, send your official documents like your ID, and then after depositing, you'll be able to start trading. So here we also have Pocket Option. We have a difference between Pocket Option and Deriv in terms of the profit. So here I will be explaining the profit, and then I choose a similar trading that resembles that of Pocket Option, that is binary. When they give you binary options, then I will change the chart so that we will have the same thing. So this is the chart, and then here we have the side that you use to trade. So we have a buy and a sell, and this is the profit that you will be getting. The profit here is 92%. Let's say that I use $10. I be getting a profit of 9.2, and then when you compare it with Deriv, you have a constant profit of 9.55. Of course, this of Pocket Option keeps changing. It will depend with the market, and then as you can see here, this side is the side of profit. So we have markets that have very low profits like this one. So this one, as you can see, for instance here, I be getting $2.30 as a profit. So what you need to understand is that when you are using Pocket Option, then you will have a difference in profits depending on the market that you choose. Not all the markets will give you a constant profit. And then when you use Pocket Option, here you see that these are disabled. You cannot trade these binary options here on these markets because you might end up winning a lot of the time. So let us go back to Deriv, and you can see when I try to change the market, we still have the constant 9.55. When you are using Deriv, you have a constant 9.5. It does not change too much. We have markets that don't have rise and fall. So we have options that are disabled on certain types of options, such as rise and fall, because these markets move on that same direction, and you might end up winning in the set amount of time. So you can still edit this if you want to, and you just edit it here. You just add, you just subtract here to reduce the timer. So here I can just reduce it if I want to. So here I'll be predicting if it happens to be above that point, then I win that contract. And then a difference between this trading platform is only that Deriv provides MetaTrader 5 trading option. And then when you try to compare, Deriv has almost a constant profit across some markets. The only difference is that these markets are derived, meaning they are not real markets. These are synthetic. They are not crossed on a weekend. You can also say that they are computer generated. Most of the brokers who offer binary trading options, they do not offer binary options on real markets. The only thing they can offer is multipliers. Like Deriv offers multipliers on some currencies, but I can see that they have disabled after some time. So you can only trade this on MetaTrader 5, where you will be doing the real forex trading, not the binary one. So here, binary trading, you can do it only on their options, not on other options. Maybe you can do it on cryptocurrencies. Let me go to Bitcoin so that we can see. You can do it on cryptocurrencies, as you can see, especially Bitcoin, and then they only apply on multipliers. So multipliers is where you just try to predict where the market will be going, and then I can see they have suspended it. So most of this does not work on a real market. What works is that on binary trading, they only allow these options, these markets, the market they have created themselves, computer generated one. So you can only trade them. So you just choose them and then you can trade them. On this platform, when you see OTC, it is also computer generated values. So they are not somehow real market data or market charts. So it's also a platform that is producing these charts that you'll be trading against. So that is binary option. If you are interested in it, then you can sign up on these two platforms using the link in the description. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe.